Life isn't easy, and it never promises to be. But there are lessons you must carry with you, no matter what. First, remember this: nothing lasts forever, neither the good times nor the bad. So when you're at your highest, stay humble. And when you're at your lowest, keep faith. This too shall pass. Second, know that every failure is a stepping stone, not a dead end. The greatest victories are born from the deepest struggles. Embrace your mistakes. They're the greatest teachers you'll ever have. And finally, never forget the power of kindness. It costs nothing, yet it's priceless. In a world full of challenges, a single act of kindness can change everything. It can change someone's day, someone's life, and it can change you. These are the lessons life teaches, sometimes painfully, but always purposefully.